What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Take some profit and have a stop loss. I would do that, but again, it's your call. It's kind of crazy out there, but yeah, GME literally, like, I think, like, just after the Elon tweeted, it was so. I think there were like two major catalysts, like literally catalysts. I have to call it, like, don't. I mean, probably doesn't sound like a good word, but Chamath from Twitter, he tweeted about it, like, I think right around. I think he got some stocks right around the open when it was 80, 87. He got like 115 call, and boom, like right on the midday started like uptrend, right? There was some volume, but it was kind of dying down. Then it like just shorted, spiked like crazily, and you can see that volume too. So it literally spiked on whole day from 80s to 146, and after hours, I think Elon Musk tweeted about it, and that just triggered it, right? So I can show you. Elon tweeted something about Reddit. Looks like he. I kind of love it. I think he deleted. Oh no, it's there. Yeah, he said game stonk Wall Street bets, and it literally triggered, like, yeah, he wanted to say GameStop. That was kind of meme, but it literally kind of pounded, and boom, it literally flew right around. Like this time he tweeted, and it went up to, actually it went up to 300 and something. I don't know why it's not showing, but yeah, in the other platform it was showing 300 something. So yeah, crazy move by GameStop, and looks like Wall Street bet is behind AMC. So this is AMC. AMC is like $17. Man, that's crazy. AMC is at $17. I did not pick any AMC. Should have picked up. Yesterday it was $5, so AMC got 200%. So if you have options, like, you'll be massive up. Like if you had, let's say, like, $10 call or something for this week or whatever, right? It's probably like massive up. So AMC is the others. I think Wall Street favorites are BlackBerry. It hasn't moved that much. Still up 6%, so not bad. Oh, wow, it was up to 21. So it was massive move, then kind of done, but again kind of coming up. And I think you have Nokia too. So they're just grabbing all those shots. So Nokia is almost 585, so not quite there, but almost there. So it didn't really pan out. Looks like it kind of went down, but Wall Street is behind Wall Street bets. So if you don't know, if you are new, it's just a forum, Wall Street bets. So it's a Reddit forum. You can go there and see. People's, you'll probably see GME. So there's pretty much everything about GME. You can see everything's, like, you wanna read about it. More manipulation than this sub by GME short. So what they're saying is, like, call me suspicious, but right now GME started going down after how they think that CNBC Melvin has closed out. This is followed tons of. So Melvin Capital, so one of the, like, biggest firm which was shorting GME. So so Yeah, he did said he closed out with the 100% loss, but yeah, he's kind of right. So which is 200% loss. He's correct actually. So yeah, a lot of things happening, but yeah. Okay. Hold the good morning. Can set stop loss until market. Yeah. That's a you can just do market. So I mean, if it's rising up, you can hold it and kind of you can do small position, right, Rick? So what I mean, if you really want to enter, let's say, I would suggest be extremely cautious, like get only what you can afford to lose. I wouldn't really do option at this point since the iv will be through the roof. And yeah, actually, Fubo is being talked about. So I saw some threads. So maybe it can get squeezed. But it's definitely not as bad as GME or AMC. So one thing was with the GME, the short was more than shares available, right? Like short was 100 and something percent. So that was crazy. I think rest of the market seems kind of like as yesterday, right? If you look at the yesterday, the big names were basically sold off. Fiverr was down 8-9%. Net was down, still down. So I think the money is kind of dying down in the like a big reputed name, which is not a good sign if you ask me. Like Puton is down. So these are my all my leaders, and when leaders are down, that's a bad sign. So look at Roku 396. So a lot of people they were asking like, oh, a lot of people were like, oh, Roku will just go up. Thing is, this will come out. Look at SC, right? It was way up. Oh, I'm loving it. I want SC below 200. I'll add it. I may add some today. So it's kind of good for me. So SC, if you look at Datadog, go down, go down. I want to add this. So crowd. Oh wow, crowd is 199 below. I think that's the first time in a long time. So GM, oh wow, I mean Zoom is down, uh, apps is down. Shit. Okay, merely almost 2000 to still up, but shop is down. Docu go to 20s. Okay, Docu is down significantly. Wow, so all these names are down significantly. Square is down. PayPal is down. Oh wow. T-Dog is see, this is a strong name, right? Like everything is down. It bumped up so much, but you can see that that's been a strength. This is really good sign. So a lot of the ticker, I think like most of those kind of down. Maybe SPI puts will be good today. Already 1% down, but I may actually get maybe 80 puts today. We'll see. Apple is pretty strong. Tesla is down 1%. So can Futu go down? Okay. Oh, glad. Yeah, it had to go down. Okay, finally. This guy. Fastly. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So all the big tech names are down significantly. BB. So BB is another heavily shorted stock. So if you look at BB daily, really it's like not this is not really a chart driven, or this is basically like uh, peoples are buying crazily, just kind of thinking it may be the next GME. I do have BB calls. I think I have a spread to 10, 15, 20. So both are in the money. So I may actually sell out today. But I got in right around here somewhere because I was like looking, BB has a good shot. People are talking about it. Volume was picking up. So massive volume, but both they kind of went down. But you never know. Uh, um, yeah, there's a big gap. It's just the retail FOMO. But if you look at AMC, it's nowhere near AMC. They tagged AMC so much. So AMC is almost 252% today. That's a crazy up. Okay, yeah, I don't know why it's not showing for after hours, but and GME, if you say, it's kind of hovering, went up to 300 and something, and now 231, still like significantly up. I think like it's getting squeezed. So it's squeezed. If you probably you guys understand by that time, I made tons of video on it. But basically, what's going on is people are shorting, right? People short stock going up and up. They have to buy to cover. When you buy more, when there's more buyer, stock goes up. When there's more seller, stock goes down. So there's more buyer, right? You buying, me buying, everybody is buying. But on the top of that, stock price is moving up. So now short has to cover their position. You're buying. And the other thing is, so that's I think good. So other thing is options, right? So options, so a lot of people's yesterday GME was 120, 110, 120, right? So nobody would thought GME would go $200 this way. So what happens is there's a lot of people's getting GME calls, right? So lot of people's yeah, a lot of people are buying GME 200 calls or something, which is pretty expensive, looks like. So yesterday they low bid ask mark previous close. So high. So yesterday there was very less volume, so that's not much. But what's gonna happen is for this, oh, this is 23. Sorry, we have to look for 29. So this week, right? So they have plenty of time to cover those positions. But if you look at this 200, yeah, if you look at 200, think about it. So this is delta 40, right? So what happened is when the stock goes up, delta increases. This delta is basically when delta is 40. So market maker, they want to be delta neutral. So what they do is, so if you are buying this 200 calls, you have to pay 1875. So who is selling? These are the market makers. So basically Citadels and all those big firm, whoever do that, there's plenty of them, but Citadel is one of the market maker, or Goldman Sachs, right? So those guys are selling you. So they collected 1800, hoping it will not reach 200. But what happened? It already is 241. So your delta increases. Maybe its delta is 80 or 90. So basically if it's 80, they have to buy 40 shares for each contract. And yesterday, if you look at that volume, 107,000, right? So basically they had for just this contract, so they have 107,000, yeah, 107,000. And if let's say its delta is 90, so they are 50 delta shorts, right? So they gotta buy this many shares. What is that? That's 5,350,000 shares just to cover that positions, right? So I'm thinking, I don't know if they have not done that, probably it's probably gonna go more higher today. Oh, it's crazy, right? So you have this call, and if some, probably I don't know if it was available, maybe it wasn't even available, but if people will get this call, so if his stocks can go up, so they have this call, 5,000 volume, and it's quite high actually. Wow, what is the low? Wow, low was 168. That's a 1800% right there, right? So some people probably got 150 call, which was like 394. So if people got this one, and you have 47,000, right? That's a lot of volume, right? So these are all getting in the money. So probably I feel like GME will probably go. I mean, they might have covered like in the pre-market, but that's why probably it's already up 65%. But this is crazy though. They'll get wrecked. Okay, so now call for today, 895 call for today, sell before earnings. Yeah, if you are selling before earnings, you could probably be fine. Yeah, I know. So yeah, again, Nokia, right? There's nothing fundamental. It's just a pump and dump kind of scheme. So working so far. So I wouldn't really go all in. Be very careful. But it can work. I mean, like, look at the volume. Like people's are crazily invested when it was like 4, so went up to like 485. Not a huge gap, but it's still a big gap. Oh, wow. Yeah, no, but I think mostly people are focusing EXPR Express, so which is up significantly. I actually grabbed Express right around 6 something shares, a couple hundred shares, just to test it out. Already up so much, but this and GME probably gonna get more squeeze, looks like. Okay. Okay. So what else going on? Yeah, pretty much market is overall. All right. So what I was talking about. Okay. Okay. So total plug. Yeah, no, I'm not in plug. I don't think it's really gonna be a. I mean, it may, but not right now. Their numbers like it doesn't. Yeah. Well, Tesla is really like crazy though. Overall, the market doesn't look good. Just the main name like AMC, these all are kind of getting show. Uh, yeah, we gotta be careful. And the other thing is, I kind of told right, it's, we are almost at the top, so you gotta be really careful at this time.
That's
So guys,
what's going on.
good, good.
So I'm thinking 0-day expirations under 378 today for puts.
For what? Oh, for SPY.
Yeah, if I'm doing 0 days, it's going to be under like early. You're echoing just a little bit. Heads up on that.
God. Dang.
Good, Doug.
This thing's at 21 bucks. This thing's been all-time highs.
Oh my God, AMC. What have I done not playing you today?
Yeah. So SPY, where the 0-day expiry looks like? Yeah, 279. Still a little bit down.
Yeah,
but-
you know I'm gonna drop 1,400 into AMC at open.
You're really going to?
Yep, on my Robinhood account,
What do you think it's going to?
35. It's going to all-time highs. I think it's going to 35 and beyond.
ATM, there's no logic involved. It's pure, pure pump and dump. So just get in the drain and hope for the best.
No, pump and dump. This is greed. This is greed. Market is controlled by two things: fear and
Nobody's
greed.
selling, and they're not selling.
The people who aren't in are fearful. The people who are in are greedy.
Yeah, and nobody is selling. If you look at the Reddit, there is like, so this all Wall Street bastards are trying to make us a weak, and we hold it till dear life till end, and everybody is like, we're not gonna sell. If you lose, we lose it. We're not gonna. So the thing is like, nobody is selling it. Everybody is buying, and you have bunch of new retailers coming in. And think about it. A lot of people don't even know nothing about what they do, what's your revenue or market cap. They don't care. They just look at their number. It's like, oh, it's $5. It's pretty cheap, right? I can buy it. So what they're thinking is everything is like, if it's $5, $6, and there's so much hype, it will probably end. And people's are like, okay, so I mean the GME did it. It was like $2-3. So now it's gonna be BlackBerry or AMC or something, which are like this. And yeah.
Are you in EXPR? The thing is at 888.
Yeah, I grabbed 300 shares at like 5 something today. This morning, like I was like, oh, fuck it. I'll just like I can afford to lose the 2K. If I lose it. But and the thing is, like, it's probably not gonna go zero. So if it goes like 4 or something, I'll take a couple hundred loss. But if not, I'll ride it. So I grabbed like 250 or 300 shares.
It's going to 27. Over 1165. The thing's going to 27.
So they
And I'm dropping a rack on them because I'm getting March contracts.
do they hit EXPR too, or just are they only hitting EMC?
Devon, you sound so low.
Yeah, you're low on my side too.
Yeah, that's what I thought. I thought like, is it me or? But yeah, that's.
And RJ sounds so loud.
Man, what's up? Like, we cannot sound low. You cannot. Just kidding.
Oh, wait. Now I know why you sound loud, RJ. For some reason, I had you on high on 200%.
Yo, I honestly might buy $10 calls on EXPR because over that it's going to 20.
Do it. I'm doing it. I'm playing the FOMO. This is all sight. This is all mental. This is greed. People are being greedy as hell right now.
Good. Am I good?
Bro, I'm not telling y'all if you're gonna sell your AMC call. If you're up 900%, that is up to you. I'm not telling y'all when to sell. I'm not telling you when to sell. You better slap yourself. I am not telling you when to sell AMC. Y'all sell whenever. This is greed. Yeah, so Here's the thing about AMCX. AMCX is going to be a good short. That's going to be a good short. Because once those people realize that AMCX is not AMC, AMC is going to go up higher. Hence Zoom, right? When COVID happened, people got Zoom, ZOOM, and Zoom, ZM confused, right? So Zoom pumps up with Zoom, but then Zoom dropped. Those sellers went into Zoom, where those buyers left Zoom, went into ZM, and it went up even higher.
Wait a minute. So people are in AMCX thinking it's
Yes.
AMC?
Yes.
Oh my god.
So that's why AMCS is going to be a good short soon. Once they realize that it's not AMC, AMC is going to go up even higher. Bro, I'm not going in the Wall Street voice. My phone can't handle it. I lag out. I freaking lag.
Come on, Wall Street bets.
Yes, bro. Bro, they have over 200K people in their group chat on Discord, and the voice chat is toxic. I think it's toxic.
We talking like Modern Warfare 2 toxic?
Somewhat. Yeah, sometimes, but like it's just toxic, bro. Like just random stuff. AMC, Netflix. It's just random stuff. People asking, "Hey, I have $1,000. What should I buy?" And then other people telling them buy AMC. People asking, "Hey, how do I buy AMC like right now at 4 a.m.?"
Oh, it's like Wall Street bet is like it's a kind of meme kind of thing, right? Like people will be like using shit words and everything, and it's like that. I mean, there's some good people too, like really knowledgeable people too, actually. But yeah, most of the people are gonna be like
They're just FOMO people.
right,
Freaking-
right.
They play off emotions. That's how they get us. That's why I like the market.
Hey guys, what I'm thinking. So what I'm thinking is just I know it may probably sound crazy, but the thing is like for GME, right? Like it's probably gonna drop. It's just we don't know. It may be like 1 month, 2 months. So I'm literally thinking like putting maybe 10, 20K or 30K on leaps if there's like at least 2 to 3. So if you do put right 200 to 150 or even I don't know where the price open, but 250 to 200. It will go below. I mean, 200 for sure in next 6 months or something. I think it's called so. I don't know.
I'm still holding AQB, bro. AQB is a long-term play. If you want to sell your AQB because the overall market is dropping, then go for it. But I'm holding mine. This is a long-term hold for me because I really like what they're doing. But like I said, if y'all want to sell because the whole market is dropping, then that's all on y'all. But my long-term are staying long-term. And my short-term, I'm getting out. Freaking, oh my god, bro. I'm about to take a hit on Square. Oof.
Yeah, people do that.
Huh?
Jetwa. A lot of times, like people.
Bro,
get
it's at
confused with-
204. Bro, I'm taking a hit. I think I'm gonna lose a rack on Square.
Oh,
Ooh, this is gonna hurt.
so Quinn, like yours.
Where's it 204, you say, huh?
Yeah, bro. 204.30.
AMD. So
Oh,
if
sure, that
AMC,
thing
if you
at
had
200.
like that would be probably
Actually,
gonna be
198.
dope.
God, that thing. I knew that wick, bro. Those wicks to the downside don't lie.
They don't ever.
That wick to 209, bro. I see that sweep. I knew that. I
Right.
should have went with my gut.
There was a downside wick on January 25th.
Yes,
for
bro.
SPY, and that's exactly where we landed this morning.
Same wick happened on Square, bro. These wicks to the downside don't lie.
They're more accurate than the upsides.
Super. Very super accurate.
I think SPY has one more drop in it.
Hold Blakeman.
Come on, Fubo. Squeeze. That son of a gun has put me through it this morning.
The only two main stocks I'm watching now, AMC XPR. So AMC, come down to 21 or come down to 18. Fake out people. I hope dumb people sell so I can buy. That is what I'm hoping. No, I got later on AQB. I got leaps. AMC's dropping. Now's the time to buy. Go ahead and buy. But I'm gonna chase one of these two. But the war has begun. The war on hedge funds has begun.
Dude, it's not a game we can win.
It's okay. We don't have to win. We just have to.
We don't have to win the war. Just gotta win the battle.
Bro, everyone's worried about Satoshi somehow owning millions of Bitcoin himself. It's basically the hedge funds if they want to say fuck you and tank the market.
Hey, Racer, do you ever exercise or let your spreads expire? Or do you just
July.
No, not really.
Huh?
Not really. I don't.
let them just sell them?
Yeah, I just sell them. I mean, if I'm up 100 to 200%, there's no reason to keep it.
Race bro, you owe me a Big Mac.
I owe you a Big Mac.
Bro,
Did you sell Overstock yesterday or no?
Bro, I am 0 for 5 on Square.
Oh, yeah.
I'm 0 for 5 on Square.
Timing is not on your side, bro.
Timing on, bro. I'm never playing this thing again.
I'm gonna be buying the dip here.
I knew that wick to the downside was something. That's why I was so hesitant. Like that sweep that came in, that thing was a sell. That was freaking. Yeah, I'm taking it. This thing never. Only thing I care about is EXPR AMC.
Just hold these three ER.
Yeah, bro. I'm not telling you what to risk on AMC and GameStop. Those are the type stocks. So y'all can play that. You said what this? Yeah, EXPR is what I'm looking into.
9 minutes.
Like the only good thing to
What up, fellas?
Yo,
So
like
What up?
the only thing to play is AMC.
they
Like
don't even have.
Look at Princeton. Princeton had literally like 50 of the AMC 5 call. He sold yesterday. Jesus Christ,
I
at
don't know
$1.
why Preston sells early, bro. He gets good entry.
Man, he
I
sold.
like it. Right.
Those would be like probably 100K today. Like one should be 2K easy. Like it's already $15 in the money. So with the IV high. Jeez.
Or I'm not shitting you, Tom. Tomikaze probably just made a solid 50 people 10 to 20 grand off that AMC move.
I got AMC when you and July talked about it last week.
Yo, Doug.
Yeah.
So are you just going to buy in the money calls for Express because they don't have option chains for higher than $7?
Yeah. I'm gonna have to.
for this week? Like a day trade or you?
Cause
No,
I mean, if it
closest
stays above
expiration-
624,
Closest expiration is 23 days out. So I mean, it'd probably run you like 100 to 150 bucks
Yeah.
for like a $7 strike.
But I think with the IV high, it will probably go up significantly, right? So they will like everything is so high, and they know it, right? AMC and GME, what's happening? It probably gonna go up. And the other
It's
thing
not
is like
gonna
I think they do add chains. Like yesterday, if you look at the GME, they had just up to 200. So today it's already 240. So today they will add like 260, whatever. So they will add like as the price moves up.
Dude, they might try to push GameStop to like fucking 5.
I'm surprised Robinhood hasn't crashed off of this.
Yeah, no shit.
I see. Yeah, ATM. I seriously think GameStop can go 500 or beyond. The thing is, like, think about it, right? I mean, MMs are selling all those 200 calls. I think yesterday they all thought 200 calls this week gonna expire worthless. They're all in the money, so they have to buy back the shares to be delta neutral, right? So Yeah, I think it's probably gonna fuel it up. I don't know how much they bought it or how much they had it, but seems like it may actually go up.
That's a good scout wick AMC left. That's a good scout wick at 25.
What? GME is at 358. What the?
Bro, playing this market, you can't use logic. That's what I noticed.
Good God. Dude, I don't think my charts can keep up with these kind of shit.
I can't.
My skill and my charts all over the place.
That's what I noticed.
I'm not like there's no charting. It's pure pure FOMO or whatever.
Hey,
It is, right?
ATM. I bet Ralph Elliott didn't see this coming.
What'd you say?
I bet Ralph Elliott didn't see this coming.
Wait, you got to say that one more time. The who?
Ralph Elliott, the guy who made Elliott Waves.
Oh.
I bet he didn't have this in his
I would say
Did this
process of.
I mean, let's be completely honest, guys. From all of what we've heard, if you didn't trade it, everything you've heard about the dot-com bubble, this is it. Now the question is this a dot-com bubble, or are we witnessing the power of retail traders? Because we're averaging 40 mil call options are being bought. 40 million contracts are being bought on average already as of January of this year. Last year, the average was 30 mil, and that was a record. We already broke that record this year.
I'll tell you, ATM, I don't think it's like some information or something. It's just the human nature, right? Fear and greed. I think it never changes. Like, if you look at the 2000, it was exactly the same. People's were like, trading was all-time high. Then after that, it's suddenly, I think after a big dip or something, people will lose money and they will come to their senses and they'll probably, most of people will think like, oh, trading is not for me if they lose big. The thing is like, it's a cycle. It comes the thing is like,
No one's losing right now.
Right,
bro.
but yeah, no one's losing right now, but you cannot say it's gonna happen forever, right? So
because if greed wasn't real, then people want to ask us if they should hold or sell. They want to ask us, I'm up 1900%, should I sell?
Oh man, I might play Fubo because I might still get a nice little short squeeze out of this son of a bitch. 63% short float. I don't know why it's getting disrespected.
Oh, didn't Tiff call AESE too? She's like, that's my next penny. If y'all miss it, y'all are dumb.
Yeah, he said
What up?
who's buying his?
Yeah, I'm getting out. Oh man, 826. I'm scared of looking at an E-Trade account.
Anyone saw the news on Baba?
Dude, that's it. The small guys versus the big banks. So here's the thing about the small guys and the big banks. The banks always win. I'm letting you know that right now. Retail traders don't do anything. The banks let us win sometimes, so that way we can feel instant gratification and then come back to the market and spend these profits, and the banks can take them back. Cause this happens in Forex all the time. But I'm telling y'all,
I agree.
when this correction happens, this thing's gonna be oof.
I feel like the correction is already starting. If you look at that, all the like leaders name, big names like all the reputed company, they are actually like down significantly. It's just all this meme stock kind of up. If you look at yesterday, and seems like today probably gonna be same. Like all the good names are down significantly actually. Fang are pretty strong, but beside that, all the other leaders are kind of down.
This is about to be a fun market. Let me get
I also think that's a part of this as well. Is that's why it's easier to pump these smaller names right now. Is because the bigger names aren't doing anything or they are correcting at this moment. So you got that mixed in with the gamma squeezes and the short squeezes as well. Plus you throw in that greed is at an all-time high probably right now. And maybe it's just the perfect recipe, which also just makes me more scared that we're about to top the market.
fun.
It's fun. It's fun until we're in a fucking 3-month bear market. That'll be fun. Or what
Yeah,
if it
then
turns into a year-long bear market?
But hey, how about crypto though? Crypto, yeah.
Put some options in crypto.
Huh?
I said put options in crypto.
There are options in crypto.
Oh, I forget you can leverage using what you do, right?
Yeah, but there's that. But there are like actually like contracts on crypto
Dude,
Yeah,
on
you,
Bitcoin.
yeah, you can
can
do
I just take a second to say that Fubo was up 10% at open, went down 5%, and now it's up 8%?
That's
Bro,
crazy.
emotions are the best.
Yeah, Fubo is also heavily shorted, so
Dude, I'm
A
telling
lot
you,
of people don't know
if
what
it
to
clears
play. They
52,
want to play
Fubo's
AMC.
gone.
They just in
Like,
everything.
if Fubo
EXPR
can
is
fill
so
that
bad.
gap and then hold that level, see ya.
Second.
Fubo on watch too. Yeah, these are top 3 stocks. Yeah, Fubo at 47.
And I'm
Yep.
telling you, they're squeezing it.
Right here, the big 3: EXPR, AMC, and Fubo. The big 3. All right, we have a minute. Let me go to my Robinhood account. That's the first thing. I'm up $95, bro.
check. Yeah, let's look at GME. Market is open now. Oh, okay. GME is big red right now from 355 to let's look at the 1 minutes. GME 310. So a lot of selling happening. So people are taking profit too, as they do. Yeah, it's kinda. Let's look at my account, how it's doing. Okay. AMC is pretty up. Closing some Tesla spread. My calendar did really well. Apple, I may put it. I saw that. Space is 43. Gee, oh, space is 44. Is it being shorted again? Looks like it. All right. So GME is kind of holding it that 3. Oh wow, 310 label from 100 to 310. GME does GME. I wanna see some put spread. So if you go 100. My internet, is it slow or is it Robinhood not loading up? Yeah, I think options like really, yeah, Fubo is running. So Fubo is another one which is very short interested, but Fubo is, I'm long. I think it's a good story. It's not like a pump and dump, so it can actually do good, but it just like kind of charged, What the heck? Hmm. So buy this 200, sell 150. How much is it? Still expensive. That's 3,600. Jesus Christ. It's way deep. I don't know when they update the chain. Maybe I'll look in my other platform. But yeah, it's kind of going again. Let's look at, yeah, it's kind of coming. Let's look at AMC. Okay, AMC did die down from 1920, so it's selling happening, but still up significantly. Oh, oh wow. I didn't realize it was up to 25 at one point. That's AMC call. GME is like 310 too. This is crappy. It's not even updated. Like buy call 605 call for 37. I would buy that. Jesus, Robinhood. It doesn't even have that anything updated. All right. So what else you guys are looking? Alex, it's your call. I mean, if you are up much, you can take profit. At least like take what you invested, right? So if you had calls, you should be up. I mean, unless you had one. So I would do is like if you have 10 calls, you could probably sell one or two and get your money back. So you are literally playing with the house money, you know? Yeah, I think Robinhood has some problems. And so I'm kind of doing the other platform. But I'm kind of looking at SPY. I should have went right it open because of my freaking phone. Oh, AMC is suspended. Oh wow. AMC is suspended. What I was looking for. It's a good time to actually, like, when you have a really red day, it's a good time to look at some names, right? Apps, probably it's a good time to add. Oh wow, this is back to 55. I like that. Oh wow, net is 72. Love it. Shop. PayPal is 26. Yeah, crowd. Oh wow. Maybe you can buy back crowd again. A lot of good name, actually cheaper. So oh wow, data dog is below 100. Docu too. Oh wow, Facebook is down significantly. Okay, Fastly is up, but beside that, pretty much every leader is down. What else you have? How long will? Usually 15 minutes. Yeah. Again, as I said, take profit. I'm down to AMC. What's the thing I should do? You got it right at open. Yeah, you gotta look at the trend and everything, right? So that's what happens. Yeah, I think everything is Robinhood sold. Never reached that. What the fuck? Now I'm stuck. You sold it 357. That's a good thing, I guess. Again, it depends what I'm doing, but yes. Oh wow, so pretty much everything is down. Even my internet is so freaking acting up. I don't know why. Why my internet so what's the speed? It's so slow acting up. My RAM, man. Jeez. It's not bad. I mean, it's pretty slow. Looks like